In chapter 10, lesson number 4, surface area of triangular prism, Raj and his dad are building a ramp to move his dirt bike onto a trailer. This is the ramp and these are the dimensions. If you remember, this was the height of the prism, and these are dimensions of the base. The base always shaped like a triangle. Fill in the table by drawing the sides of the ramp and naming the shape of each face. Of course, we have the front and the back shaped like triangle, the top and the bottom shaped like rectangles, and the side face, only one side face, also shaped like rectangle. Let's see again. Here, as you can see, the front and the back shaped like triangles that I call them the two bases. The top and the bottom, this is the top and the bottom, shaped like rectangles, and the side face as well, this is the side face, it's another rectangle. Moving on. So, when you want to flatten, to unfold, to unbox this triangular prism, you will have the bases shaped like triangles, as you can see, and you have three faces shaped like rectangles. Sometimes they shape like a square, but the general case is that they shape like rectangles. So the logic idea is to get the surface area of triangular prism, you need to evaluate the area of the two bases that are triangles and the area of the three rectangles, and you add them all together. How can we find the area of triangle? Area of triangle, which is the base of the prism, it's half times its base times its height. Its base here is 1 centimeter and the height is 0.9. So this will give you 0.45. Now, the area of the faces, look at the faces, this face, it's like 2 times 1, this one also 2 times 1, this one also 2 times 1. So 2 times 1 is 2, so this is 2 and 2 and 2 will give you 6. So all of them 6 centimeter squared plus 0.45 and 0.45, this will give you 6.9. So this is how to find the surface area of the triangular prism while the figure is flattened. You can evaluate the two triangles and the three rectangles and you add them all together. Let's try to evaluate this one. So the surface area, it's 2 times the triangle. 2 times triangle, right? The triangle, it has a base. This is the base of the triangle, which is 6, exactly like this one. And it has a height of 5.2. So I'm going to say half times the base, which is 6, times the height, which is 5.2. Plus. Now we need to find the faces, the three faces. This face, the side face, it's like 6 multiplied by 7 The other face also it's like 6 multiplied by 7. Down also it's 6 multiplied by 7. So let me tell you an easy method to find the three faces together. Three faces together is like you add the sides of the triangle, all of them, 6 plus 6 plus 6, then multiply by the height of the prism, which is 7. Again, we are going to add the three sides of the triangle and we are going to multiply them by the height of the prism. So we can cancel the 2.5. So this one is like 6 multiplied by 5.2 plus I can add the three sides of the triangle like its perimeter of the base. It's called the perimeter of base. So this will be 18 multiplied by 7. Now 6 times 5.2 will give you 31.2. 18 multiplied by 7 will give you 126. 126 plus 31.2, this will give you 157.2 centimeters squared. 157.2 centimeters squared. Now, moving on. So, let me give you the rule I'm working for. That surface area equals 2 times area of base plus perimeter of base multiplied by the height of the prism. Again, this is the rule that I'm using for this lesson. Surface area of the triangular prism. 2 times the area of the base means the two triangles, plus perimeter of base means the sum of sides of the triangle, multiplied by the height of the prism. Let's apply this rule and let's see if we can find out the surface area in problem B. So here, surface area equals 2 times the area of the base shaped like a triangle. So I need its base and its height. The base of the triangle is 4. The height of the triangle is this side, which is the same as 5.7. So here I'm going to write half multiplied by 4 multiplied by 5.7 plus perimeter of the base shaped like a triangle. So perimeter of base means sum of sides, 4 plus 7 plus 5.7. And you have to put them all, sorry, this is addition. You have to put them all between parentheses because all of them will be multiplied by the height of the prism. So 4 plus 7 plus 5.7. All of them should be multiplied by the height of the prism, and we agreed before that the height of the prism is the line joining the two bases, as you can see, 8.6. So let's finish calculations. Always the 2 will cancel the half. So this always will be like 4 multiplied by 5.7 plus 4 plus 7, 11, 11 plus 5, 16, 4 plus 7, 11 plus 5.7, 16.7 multiplied by 8.6. 4 times 5.7, this will give you 22.8. 16.7 multiplied by 8.6, this will give you 143.62. And if we add it to 22.8, this will give 166.42 meter square. Now, problem C. Let's solve it here. I'm going to apply the same rule. Surface area equals 2 times the area of the base. So 2 multiplied by the base shaped like a triangle. So half times base of the triangle is 5. Height of the triangle is 2 plus parenthesis perimeter of the base. This is the base. So 2 plus 5 plus 5.4. This is 5.4, the same as this one. 2 plus 5 plus 5.4. All multiplied by the height of the prism, which is 4. The height of the prism, which is 4. Now, always the 2 will cancel the half. So this is 5 multiplied by 2. Don't forget plus. 2 plus 5 plus 5.4, so 12.4. Multiplied by 4. 5 times 2 is 10. 12.4 multiplied by 4 will give you 49.6. And if we add it to 10, this will give you 59.6, of course, feet square. So, this rule is very important. I recommend that you copy this rule because it doesn't exist in the book. Surface area equals 2 times area of the base plus perimeter of the base times the height. This rule concerns the surface area of the triangular prism. It also works for any prism, but we are going to use it for the triangular prism. Now, let's solve some problems in the guided practice. Find the surface area of the triangular prism. So the rule again, surface area equals 2 times area of the base plus perimeter of base multiplied by height of the prism. This is the rule that we are going to use for this lesson. Remember this rule very well. Now, let's solve this problem. This is triangular prism. The base shaped like a triangle. It has base length of 5 meter and height of 4.3 meter. So I'm going to say surface area equals 2 times area of the base shaped like a triangle. So half times base of triangle is 5. Height of the triangle 4.3 plus perimeter of the base. So sum of sides of the triangle 5 plus 5 plus 5. Multiplied by the height of the prism, all of it 14. Someone will say, how do you know that this is 5? It's exactly the same as this one. This one is 5, so this one is 5. This one is 5, so the length of the side is 5. So as I said, the 2 always cancel the half. You just need to multiply what is 5 times 4.3 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5, 15, multiplied by 14. So now, 5 times 4.3, this will give you 21.5 plus 15 times 14, 210. And if you add 210 to 21.5, this will give you 231.5 meter square, because this is an area. Problem 2. A skateboarding ramp is in the shape of a triangular prism. If the entire ramp is to be painted means we need to find surface area. To be painted. What is the surface area? What is the surface area to be painted? Same rule. So surface area equals 2 times the area of the base shaped like a triangle, so half times the base of the triangle is 48, the height of the triangle is 14, plus perimeter of the base, so I need 3 sides, 14, 48, and this one. This one is the same as 50 exactly, and this one is the height of the prism. So 14 plus 48 plus 50 multiplied by 36. So 2 always cancel the half. So this will be 48 multiplied by 14. Don't forget that between the parentheses there is plus, always plus here. 14 plus 48 plus 50. This will give you 112 multiplied by 36. 48 multiplied by 14, 672. 112 multiplied by 36, 4032. And if you add it to 672, this should give you 4704 inch square. Inch squared because this is an area. That's it for our lesson for today. You need to remember this rule and apply the rule very well. So if you have a question, you can write it down in comments.